Fogless shower mirror for men. Shaving in the shower has never been easier. Our no-fog mirror for the shower makes shaving, applying makeup, and washing your face a breeze. Fog-free shaving mirror for shower will not fog up, ever. Easy to install shower mirror. Our anti-fog shower mirrors have a built-in razor holder. Our shower mirror suction cup is super strong and has a power lock. No worrying about the shave mirror for shower failing. 361-degree rotation mirror for shaving. Rotating your anti-fog shower mirror has never been easier. Full 360-degree anti-fog mirrors for bathroom. Shatterproof mirror for shaving is durable and long-lasting. Compact build for travel. Probeautify Fogless mirror for shower are lightweight, compact and portable. Perfect 360 anti-fog shower mirror for traveling, camping and taking on the go. Take with you anywhere. Beautiful mirrors for everyone. Keep your makeup looking perfect, your 5 o'clock shadow at bay, and keep that peace of mind that you are looking your best. Pick from our selection of makeup mirrors, shower shave mirrors, light-up mirrors and handheld travel mirrors. Top reviews from the United States. This is the one for sure. Okay, I have to admit, I love to shave in the shower, just easier, plus I can fully rinse my face, getting all the shaving cream off, and feeling much fresher. I have bought probably 20 shaving mirrors over the years. I use them for a short time and then they either constantly fog up or fall off. Then I never use it again, total waste of my money. Seriously, the Probeautify Fogless shower mirror for shaving. The Probeautify mirror is like the best of all shower mirrors. It's true, once you put the suction on your shower wall correctly, it's not coming off, unless you want it to. Watch a YouTube video on how to put it up. It's very easy, but I like to see it on YouTube first. I rarely ever write reviews, but trust me, this one is the very best. The bathroom gets pretty steamy. Not once has it fogged up, not once. I doubt it ever will. I love this mirror, sorry about my shouting, but it's the very best. Thank you Probeautify.